Welcome back to the channel. Hello. Guys, today we are doing another unboxing. Yep, you already know. Okay, Zay? Okay, guys, so today we're unboxing. Where you at? We're unboxing one of the new LOL Tweens, guys. Okay, Zay, guys. Now, these right here are completely different from the first couple of LOL Tweens, okay? So, I have a couple of them, you know what I'm saying? I didn't collect all of them. No, she didn't. She didn't. But this right here, this is different, guys. This right here is different. Let me move this out the way. This right here is different, and so we're going to unbox. We're going to get into this, okay? Guys, before we do, you already know what it's all about, okay? Then you already know what I'm about to say. Okay, so guys, make sure you watch this video from the beginning to the end. Make sure you comment, make sure you have on notifications, and share this video, okay, so. And if you're new, hi, my name is Deidre. Subscribe. Let's go. Okay, guys, so I forgot how much I paid for this. I think it was about almost $20. No, it wasn't $20. It was $30-something. $30, almost $30. Yeah, 30-something, in the 30s. Just know it was in the 30s. So there is 4 of them in the series. 4. Okay. So we'll be swapping surprise. Okay, so here's all the different heads, guys, that you could take and use the body of the doll that you have. They can all change heads. You can exchange heads in a whole group. Okay. Okay, so yeah, we're gonna get started. Let's take a look at this box again. Cause she in there. She in there. She in there. She in there. Stop playing with the girl. She in that thing. 20 surprises. Let's go. Okay. I'm kind of hot, but we're gonna make this work. Let me see. Guys, if you haven't already, guys, please subscribe to the other channel, guys. The information will be in the description of this video. Okay, Sarah? Because your girl is on it. Let me show y'all these. Hold on. Before we get into this, I'm finna give you a little preview of some bracelets that I just recently did, but I don't know about them. I really don't. I really don't know about them, guys. So, but yeah, I'm gonna just show y'all some of these bracelets. Y'all tell me what y'all think about these. So, I did some M&M bracelets. See? These are M&Ms, which is really cute, but I really wanted it to be, forget it. I like it. They're really nice. I like these. Okay? Glass beads. Yes, glass. Glass beads. Okay? Y'all know this pink one go hard. Stop playing with it. Okay? So, yeah. Stay. So, yeah, y'all. Make sure y'all follow the other channel. Now, let's get back into the doll channel. Okay, so... But this channel right here be all over the place too, anyway. Because I'm like Starbucks, boom. If I go and do something, if I do a, you know, a vlog, I do a vlog. It is what it is. But yeah. Y'all support the girl over at the other channel. Okay, Zan? I haven't, I need to post some new content over there. Ooh, is you stuck? Oh, we not supposed to do this. I be forgetting that, hey, right here in this little circle area, need to cut that little tape piece off of there, okay? Now, you should be able to come up out of there. Hello? What's stopping you now? What's stopping you now? Hello? What's stopping you now? What's stopping you from coming out of there now? Okay, then. Okay, and so, you know, the kids them started school, y'all. They went back to school this Wednesday. Look, y'all. Hey, sis. Okay. Swap styles. Look, y'all. Swap styles. Y'all see how that look? Okay. But we're going to get into it. Girl. Yes. Sometimes I'll be forgetting stuff, y'all, in the boxes and stuff. One of the subscribers was like, the person was like, don't forget the pen. And I went, when I read that, I was like, don't forget the pen on this unboxing. And I was like, the pen? Yeah, the pen that goes with this book. And I was like, oh, well, let me, because it's above the book. So I didn't really too much pay attention. Don't get me wrong, I did see it when I first got her, but I forgot to get it out of the box. So I was glad that I read that comment. Good looking out, because period. So yeah, let's get her out. Hopefully I can put this video out before tonight. That'll be nice. That would be great. go. Hold on, wait a minute here. What's going on? Girl, do you got a stand? You better have a stand. Hold on, make sure ain't. Yeah, that ain't no stand right there. You better have a stand. Hello? So yeah. So I know we had a live video, guys, and we was talking about the dolls and everything. And you know, these right here was brought up in the conversation, and I was like, changing heads. That's gonna be new. So I was like, okay, I'm gonna have to try that out. I'm definitely gonna have to get the girls. Why is this stuck? What is happening? Oh, because you got the little staples in the back of your head. That's why that's stuck like that. But you cute though. Because period. She got my favorite color, guys. Favorite color, okay there. Be careful, sweet cheeks. Let's get this stuff out your... Let's see. Let me try to make that hair fall. I don't want to cut no hair. Don't nobody cut no hair. Okay, got that one. My hair cut some hair. Yeah, just a little bit. It's not a lot. Hello? I'm gonna toss that on over there. Girl, yes. Oh, she is cute. Okay, let's get the rest of the stuff out. She got a bunch of accessories. This right here is giving me the LOL Tweens babysitters vibes. You know what I'm saying? But yeah. And I seen one on there, y'all. She look like Honeylicious. But I keep forgetting that these is LOLs. Hello. No, she look like Neonlicious. Am I saying it right? Yeah, Neon. She got a head on there that look like Neonlicious. Look, y'all, it's like a little... It's cute. Let's tear that whole box on out there. Hello? Oh, they want to stand. Oh, they go to... Now, see... Because, stop. Like, how often do LOL not give you a stand? Stay. Not too often now. And all the LOL Tweens came with stands. Let's take this head out of here. Hold on here. Oh, wait, I can cut it from back here. See, y'all, I'm always trying to take the stuff out from the front of the box. Up. Alright. Now, that should be a little bit loose right there. Take it easy. Let me get that. Yeah. Did we get everything? Double checking. Alright. We got the head. Girl, why the head look like a oh, it's got like a little suction cup at the bottom. Hold on here. Toss. Alright, so we're gonna get into the girl. Let's set her stand on up first. So we got 2 waist pieces. Okay, then a little tiny stand. A little tiny stand, because you know what I'm saying. Okay, Zan. Girl, you cute. Alright. So, yeah, here she is. Ain't she cute, y'all? She's pretty. Look at her. So pretty. I love them when they got afros. I love them with the little... Oh, my girl is dusty. Oh, she dusty. I love them when they had the little afros. She looks like her. I love my tweens. Okay. So anyway. Y'all. Look at that. The makeup is beautiful. Look at the coloring in the bangs. Really pretty. I'm loving it. Loving it. Okay. Look at that. Pretty hair, girl. Pretty hair. Pretty hair, girl. Yeah. Ooh. Yeah. Love it. Loving it. Alright, we got a little shed going on. Hello? Close your eyes. Y'all ain't seeing nothing. It ain't nothing. Hello? But her hair is really pretty. Look at that. Really cute. I like that. Alright, so the earrings. Pretty. You are so cute. Hold on, your earring came out. Let me see. Earrings. Y'all, look at the earrings. So pretty. And then her hands, y'all. Look at the two. Okay, Zach, cuz peace. Look at her nails. Look at the little nails on the little girl, on the girl. Bracelet. Okay, Zach. Can we see the other hand? Look at the other hand. Stop. Look, I be finding myself posing like this sometimes. Like, yeah. Okay, then. But look at the necklace. Okay, then. The outfit. She is really cute. Okay. I love this. I am loving it. Yes. Then look at the stockings. Look at her stockings. So cute. She is so pretty. All the way down to her little shoes. Look at the little shoes. So pretty, girl. Yes. Got the little lightning bolt on the back of the shoes. Y'all see that? I like it. She got this little lace top. It's like a little lace. Okay? He's so pretty. And usually, y'all know how I do it usually. I have to see, is this... Oh, so when you take that top dress off, the tutu, she has on her unders. Her little undergarments. Which is really cute. I have to put this back on. Because I noticed when I undress the dolls doing the video, guys, I don't even be having energy. And that's lazy. That's just lazy. To not even put the other outfit back on. Hello? The first outfit. That's just pure lazy. So we're going to stand you here. You are so cute. I like you. Stay. Alright, so we got the head, guys. We have the head that we're going to change her into. Look at that bow. That is so pretty. Then it's got like the little lightning and stuff like that. Really pretty. Look at the little highlighted yellow. I like. Look at that. The crimps. Yes. Girl, this is cute. Look at the back of that. This is so cute. So, yeah. So, and then it has like, listen to this. It has a little suction piece. So, that's nice. Really cute. Little suction piece. Boom, boom, boom. I don't know why it looks like a arm. So, y'all, we got to figure out how we're going to take this head off. Wait a minute. Do we... Oh, this is so cute. And you just take the other head. Look, y'all, I'm just for just going straight on in. Okay, then? So, you take the other head. Let's take her head off. Let's take her head off. It snaps right on off with no problem. Look at that. Pretty little head. Let's put it back on the little thing. And you just snap it back on. Look at that. And you can just display it on the shelf. Because it's got a suction cup. This is so cute. This is so pretty. And we just, like we would with their hands, y'all. Look. She's somebody else now. She ain't the same girl. She's somebody else, baby. Woo! She is pretty. And then it matches her outfit, which makes it even better because that yellow goes with the hair and all. This period. All right, let's see. Let's put the head right here. Boom. I don't know, because I like the pink curls, but let's leave it there. Let's look at the surprises. Okay, so. Ooh, I tore it. Stop moving so fast. Okay, hang at the mall. To look. Cora. Her name is Cora? Her name is Cora. Okay. Put that to the side. Of course, she comes with this little box. I know my other doll did too. My other tween, the babysitting tween. I think that was one of them too. And then she has this, which is really cute too. And it has like the little comb pieces on the sides. Y'all see that? Boom, boom. And since she already got a ponytail right here, I would rather put it on this hairstyle. See that? Really cute. Sit you here. Okay. And then she has a comb. Because all the Tweens comes with combs. Okay, Zan. And then she has another little headpiece. Which is really cute. And we could just sit this one. We can actually put this one on top of here. Hold on. Because it's got like the little side comb. So I think I should sit it like this. Look at that. What y'all think? And then in here we have little pieces. Hold on. Oh, it's just something about the little tiny pieces, y'all. Come on now, y'all. Why y'all couldn't do this better than this? But I'm glad they got it where we could see it. Which is a plus. Other than it being wrapped in that tissue paper. And then some things being left in tissue paper. Okay, there. So she has... Let's empty it all right here. We have 2 Bobos. Double checking. Okay, now where did that go? Oh, there you go. Ooh, y'all. She has these 2 little barrettes. What they say? Pretty, no, party chick. Yeah, party chick. So y'all probably ain't gonna be able to see that like that. Yeah, upgrading camera pretty soon. You know what I'm saying? Party chick. Really cute little hair pieces. And I'm gonna put that, since we're already using her, this head, we'll put that on her. Party chick. No, it say party XOX. Really cute. Okay, so we got that on her head. Hello. And then she comes with these 2 little barrette pieces, Bobos, that has like little lightning on them, which is really cute too. But so I'm not going to use these, except for probably I might put her hair in a ponytail right here. I put both of the Bobos together. I call them Bobos. Yeah, Bobos. And I'm just going to... like so. I like. You cute. Let's get the stand. And then she has another set of hair scrunchies. I'm just gonna cut because I had snagged this one. Hello? Yeah, she snagged it. And I'm just gonna cut that excess up off of that, a little extra pieces up off of it. You know what I'm saying? And let's see. This reminds me of the styling dial heads. It do. This really reminds me of the styling dial heads. Yes. All right. So I'm not gonna use these Bobos. Oh. But yeah, so I'm gonna put the Bobos and stuff inside here. The Bobos, the scrunchies, the hair comb. I'm gonna take that out of her head and put it in here too. Hello? Okay, so I'm gonna make sure I covered everything, guys, cause yes. But yeah, that's it, guys. Yep, she did that. Stop playing with the girl. Yeah, cause you could twist. Look, and when it's suctioned, look, you could twist it. Look. You can't twist it all the way far, but you could twist it. It gives you a nice little twist. Okay, guys, I'm gonna close out this video. Who got one of these? What's your thoughts on it? Are you planning on getting one? Huh? What's your thoughts on these? Guys, if you haven't already, guys, please support the video by giving this video a like. Make sure you comment and make sure you have on notifications. Okay, Zach? And if you're new, hi, my name is Deidre. subscribe. Okay, Zach? Guys, what's next? I don't know.